Hello, guys and girls. This is Shawn, your host of the Mystic Paranormal Podcast on the Midnight Highway. I want to be talking a little bit about some strange noises that seem to be coming out of thin air. Like there's no explanation for them whatsoever. I did research this a little bit, and it's all over the news. I mean, go to YouTube, guys, and look up strange humming noises coming out of the sky. It seems to be worldwide, like it's a worldwide event. I can't help but, like, when I hear these sounds, I'm going to play for you a couple of these sounds. It sounds to me like it's apocalyptic or something. Like, I mean, when I hear these sounds, something, like, negative kind of soars through my body. I don't get a real good vibe from these so-called humming sounds or just strange noises in general that come out of the thin air. I mean, there's just no explanation for it whatsoever. Like I said, it's been on the news. I wanted to ask you guys and girls, have you heard these noises before? I personally have not, but when I do hear them online, I mean, I am skeptical a little bit that, you could just do video and then you could, make up some noise or something like that and put it behind a video. But this is really real, guys. What you're about to see and hear is real. And I have no explanation of what it could be or where these noises could actually be coming from. I mean, it's really, really bizarre. I don't know if it's like the earth, like, doing something naturally and we're just somehow hearing it now. It seems to be that this noise is somewhat new, that it hasn't been going on for that long of a time. So, what's going on out there? When you hear this, I mean, I'm not trying to scare any of you guys or anything, but it, like, kind of reminds me of the movie Signs. You know how, like, birds were flying through the air and then they just hit something invisible and drop, boom, they just fell out of the sky dead. Like a UFO was there. And this sound kind of reminds me of that in a way. That there's, like, UFOs up there or something that we just can't see. And if that's the case, man, there's got to be a lot of them up there to make this kind of sound, you would imagine. I have no explanation as to what this could be, but I really want to know, guys, do you hear these sounds? Have you heard these sounds? Do you know anybody that has claimed to have heard these sounds? And most importantly, where do you think these sounds are coming from, and what do you think they are? I'm going to go ahead and play these two clips for you now, and you guys be the judge as to what you think it is. Please, leave in the comments below if you have a theory for what these mysterious sounds are. Please, I really want to hear about what you think about them in the comments below. So I'm going to go ahead and play for you a couple clips, and judge for yourself, but look it up, guys. It's all over the news. I would play, like, news footage and stuff, but I don't want to get, like, copyright strikes against me. So, this is bizarre. This one really has me, shaking my head, so to speak. I really, really don't know how to, I just don't understand it. I don't understand what it is, and frankly, it's kind of spooky. It really is. It's kind of spooky. But anyways, guys, leave in the comments below. If you do like this video, definitely subscribe, hit like, click that notification bell, and please share this video too. But most importantly, guys, comment below and let me know what you think this is. Is it like some alien thing? Like, is it extraterrestrial in origin, or is it just the earth naturally making a sound? Is it man-made? Is it biblical? What do you think it is, guys? All right, I'll talk to you later. Peace. So there you go, guys and girls. That's exactly what I was talking about, is those strange sounds. What do you guys think they are? You heard them now for yourself. Do you have any scientific explanation as to what they could be or where they could be coming from? Because to be honest with you, it's actually got the internet and the world freaking out. It's got them kind of thinking that there's something going on, something not so good, or I don't know. I don't know. I just get a weird vibe when I hear these anomalies. I don't know what they are. I don't know where they're coming from. And frankly, I don't think scientists do either. When based off the research that I've done on them, I don't think anybody can explain where they're coming from or what they are. So please, guys and girls, if you enjoyed this video, definitely subscribe to my channel. Hit like. Definitely comment below. I really want to hear what you guys and girls think as to what these could be. And definitely like it. I'm pretty sure I already said that. And share this video too. Definitely share this video and see what other people think that it might be, because I've dug deep, guys, and to be honest with you, this is a true mystery. I have no idea what they are. All right, guys, take care. Peace.